Good morning, everyone. It is 9:58 a.m. Eastern Time. Uh, Waiting for the 10 o'clock price action to print. It's in 2 minutes. We'll take our first trade of the day. We got a bunch of consolidation here. The sellers are coming in and just bring it down. On EMA, you have a VWAP. Volume's coming down a little bit as well. Bunch of selling. Got a divergence of delta. Still ended up lower. I'd like to see this with a divergence too. Me to assume a position. So nice amount of volumes, 15,000, 13,000. This is good. 18,000. Not bad. It is a Monday. I usually like to trade. Either I'll trade at the open if I'm doing pre-market trading. And if I booked a couple of profits, I'll use those in, for an opening trade. Use that profit to finance that trade because it's a little more volatility. But I wouldn't do it if I'm down. If I'm at a loss, I won't take a opening trade. This is still, to me, they go ahead and just this probably be unsustainable here. So it's go right here, see if we could go. There we go. I think we're going to retrace back. All this buying weren't able to get any higher, and we're just going to take small profits here. See if we get another push down. I'll take it. Those 2 points. You got to step in the profile right here at 78.20. You see how it's just staying there? It really hasn't been moving. Maybe a tick or two. So now you had a buying imbalance right here. What's significant about that? Well, you're at the point of control. So all that buying, and then we shot down again real fast. So that's telling me there's a seller somewhere in here. All right, so our first trade was a short. Yeah, we sold it at 39.25 and got out at 37.25. So that was 2 points. So all these big numbers, right? And we're unable to get below. So what does that tell us? Selling. But when are they going to come back in to buy? Like right now, we're just in a little range here, right? And you see this profile, the way it looks like a D, or this is actually what's called like a B profile. I like to see a little more here to fill out the B on the bottom. So we do have these little clusters of volume up in here, but nothing here. So let's take a look at where this is, 43.25, far out of my radar right now. You have a gap here. Take a look at this little gap. Okay, all gaps fill. 37.75. Where does that show up here? 37.75. Unfinished auction here as well. It's a pretty big number compared to the rest. 728, big number. Colors that came in, buying came up, so you could be quick. You could be if you're bullish, you can make that trade. Just don't, stay in it. Watch the price action, get out when it tells you to. And the order flow is just telling you exactly what's going on. So I'm looking for a here. This gap right inside here. We're not really doing anything here. $39 to $37.50. Hey, if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. It means a lot to building the channel. So we're making that move to fill the gap here. You have a couple of selling imbalances. You have one here as well. If you go to the left, take a look, 141 to 24. So you still got some selling in here. All right, let's see if you could get below here. Came here, it popped right back up. And remember, when you're taking a look at bids and offers or, bids and ask, there's also passive. I mean, right now, these are aggressive markings, but you do have passive buyers and sellers as well. Gonna go ahead and fill that gap. See if we stay here. $37.50. We got 3 minutes left of this candle. It did move here pretty fast. I mean, we could break out. See, even here would have been a long right here, because take a look at the profile. See how it bellies out? You could have went probably to here, Being that's just marinating also at that gap. All right, we're getting buyers come in. Along right here. Right above that gap, we'll see. Down the, right now it's risky to put my entry any lower. So we're long. We're just going to go short, small. So we just got a value area here. That's looking good. I think we'll look good there. We'll just go to break even right here. We have a divergence, so I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up a little bit. I'll take it. So that's what was it? 37.75 to 39.50. We have 10 minutes on this video. I think I'm going to leave it here. So we're up almost, let's see, 3.5 points. About 3.5 points. So I'm good with that for right now. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I'll get back to you. I'm trying to keep these videos a little smaller now. Want to get more views. Ultimately, want to monetize and keep the channel free. Continue to do it. I think I got over 250 subscribers. Want to see they get to small gains. 300. Let's go to 300. By the end of the month. Today is the end of the month, so let's go 300 by July. Let's say by July 4th. That'd be good. That'll be it. So thanks for tuning in. If you watched the video to the end, I appreciate it. I just wrote this out here. All right, that's about it. Thanks again. Have a great day.